Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to center V-brakes. First, ensure your bike is stable, either on a stand or inverted. You'll need a 5mm Allen key and possibly a pair of pliers. We'll start by identifying the centering springs on each brake arm. These springs are key to adjusting the brake pad position relative to the wheel rim. Proper centering prevents the brakes from rubbing and ensures smooth operation. To adjust the spring tension, look for the small Phillips or Allen head screws located near the pivot point of each brake arm. These screws control the spring's tension. If one brake pad is too close to the rim, loosen its corresponding screw. If a pad is too far away, tighten its screw. Make small, incremental adjustments, turning the screw about 1/4 of a turn at a time. After making initial adjustments, squeeze your brake lever firmly several times. This helps the brake pads settle into their new positions. Now, visually inspect the gap between each brake pad and the rim. Both gaps should appear equal. If they are not, continue making small adjustments to the tension screws. Test the brakes by spinning the wheel to ensure no rubbing occurs and braking feels balanced. If you're struggling to center your V-brakes, check for bent brake arms or worn pivot bushings, which can prevent proper alignment. Also, ensure your brake cables are in good condition, not frayed, and move smoothly through their housing. Sometimes, a sticky cable can mimic a centering issue. Regular cleaning and lubrication of the pivots will help maintain optimal brake performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.